Is there anything that they've alleged here that you've done other than what was caught on camera and the two postings on Facebook?
I come on here to tell the truth and offer the family a heartfelt apology so we can move on. Had I had done anything they were accusing me of, I would have admitted it and apologized. No, I have not done any of the things that they're accusing me of.
Anything y'all want to say about this?
I don't believe a word she says. Her apology means nothing to me.
You don't believe a word she said?
I don't believe a word she says. Jennifer Peck-Hofster has never said an honest word, an honest statement through this entire ordeal. She is not capable of telling the truth. She is the most despicable excuse for a human being that I've ever witnessed in my entire life. And karma is going to be something else for this lady.
There were two other things that alleged that Jennifer yelled, "I hope she dies," and that one time yelled, "Die already." Did those things happen?
I remember I was standing in the doorway on the phone with my mother, not even talking about what's going on. I walk away from the door and somebody starts yelling,